Okay, so tonight I'm going to cook some filet mignon. And what you see here is I'm going to use the Blue Rhino BBQ here. You got your propane tank here. And then what I've done ahead of time is I've kind of put some oil, some olive oil onto the grill to make it all nice and smooth so it won't stick. And then what I've done is closed the lid here. I'm going to wait for it to get to 500 degrees just to make sure it seals the juices into the meat. So just hang out. I'll be right back and we'll be ready to cook. I used a marinade in a bag. You can get these at local grocery stores. Just something where it has a good marinade. You want to preferably leave it in the refrigerator overnight so it can all soak up all the flavor and the juices, and just put it on the tray and you're ready to go. Okay, so my grill now is more than hot enough. So what I'm going to do is I got a tray here of filet mignon. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the grill here, and I'm going to start timing it. 3 minutes, then turn it 90 degrees, 3 minutes, flip it over, 3 minutes, and then turn it 90 degrees, and that should be it. It's going to have like the traditional grill marks on it, and it should be just about right. If you want it a little more done, you can actually add like a minute to the tail end of both flips, and then it should be good. Let's check it out. What you want to get is you want to get that searing sound. There you know that it's hot enough. These are a little thinner than some of the cuts of filet mignon. So what you want to do is you may want to do it a little less or a little more depending on how thick the meat is. So we'll just go ahead and put the top down and time it for 3 minutes, then rotate it. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes. What I want to make sure is I want to see if it's sticking. If it's sticking to the grill, it's not ready to rotate. So let's just kind of see how this is working out for us here. So you want to grab it, you want to see if it's sticky. Oh, that's still sticky. That's still sticky. Still sticking. This is still sticking here. And this is still sticking, so it just needs just a little more time. So let's see if it has that traditional grill mark here. Let me just lift this up here. Oh yeah, look at that grill mark right there. What a beauty. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to now turn it sideways. See that? See about this one? See, it comes off very lightly off it doesn't stick to the grill. So now what I'm going to do is another 3 minutes, and then we'll see if we can flip it. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes. I'm going to check it. Maybe it's time to flip it. So let's just flip it good. All right, so let's take a look at here. Looking good. It looks like the juices are starting to come up to the top here. That's a good sign. We're going to flip it first, do the 3 minutes, and then we're going to rotate it afterwards. So let's see if I can just flip it back this way. Flip it back this way. Flip it back this way. And this way and this way. And what we'll do is we'll put the top down. Again, give it another 3 minutes. Or more if you need to have it a little more done. Okay, so it's been 3 minutes. Let's check the meat. Wow, look at that. Very impressive. So let's turn it 90 degrees. Not the most slick way of turning it, but it'll work. All right, so let's do another 3 minutes and see where we go from there. Of course, putting the top down. Well, there you have it. Barbecued filet mignon right off the grill with a nice dinner, music, a little whiskey sour, and a romantic evening with the one you love. I hope you enjoyed the show. Thank you for watching. Take care.